sometimes they ask me things that, yeah, can you do it? Well, I've never done it, I can try, and most of the time it works. I am Jan Kuit. I'm a bonding specialist at TNO Instrument Manufacturing Delft. I am an instrument maker, and with that I'm also the guy who does the bonding of components. When the parts come in, of course, you have to clean it very well. The cleaner the better. Then you have to align everything what you want to glue. So for example, if you want to glue a glass fiber exactly in the middle of an aluminum part or something like that, you have to align it, watch through the microscope, measure it, yeah, and then prepare the glue so the mixture should be right. Maybe do additional cleaning, and then yeah, you just put on some drips and then you're done. For example, a fiber laser, it has to be very precise because otherwise they don't get data from the fiber laser. So if I'm just off a few tenths of a millimeter or less, then yeah, it doesn't work. It's cutting edge, and it's also fun that most of the things we do, we get a product that works. And everyone does something to it, and all the groups together can make beautiful things.